India lives in its villages. If you are one among the 70% of more than 1 billion people that live in rural India, chances are that your local money lender is the only manifestation of a financial service provider you have ever seen. The nearest bank branch is anywhere between 10 to 15 kilometers away. Most likely, you will not have a bank account, and if you do, visiting a bank branch to consume any of its services would mean losing a day's wage. The numbers are stark and speak for themselves. Only 17% in the lowest income quartile have a bank account. Micro enterprises with investments under $10,000 get only 2% of the total bank credit. Less than 4% of the population is using mutual funds as an investment. Life insurance penetration is 4.6%, and over 50% of loans taken by the lowest income quartile have annual interest rates over 36%. The problem compounds in magnitude given the vast size of the country and the large population. Rural households in India urgently need access to tools which enable it to increase or stabilize their income, smooth consumption, create businesses, build assets, and capacity to face economic shocks. This will require service providers who can give access to a full suite of financial services, including credit, savings, and investment products, payment services, and insurance. This is the role that the KGFS has chosen for itself. Kshetriya Gramin Financial Services is a local, geographically focused community financial services institution which operates in the remote rural parts of India to deliver a full suite of financial services to every individual and every enterprise in the geographies that it operates in. In order for such services to be sustainable in the long term, the originator has to be a high-quality one. High-quality delivery of financial services requires delivering them in a convenient, flexible, reliable, and continuous manner. Continuity and reliability are required for long-term financial decisions. Continuity. We have resolved to serve the people for generations to come, keeping in mind the financial challenges that the customers would face from time to time. Reliability. KGFS runs on sound governance structure and transparent operations. Wealth managers are adequately trained to understand the financial needs of the household and offer right propositions. Flexibility and convenience are required for ease of transaction, enabling even small-ticket transactions. The existing channels of financial services delivery in remote rural areas in India, though contributing to access in some ways, fall short of one or the other criterion. These shortcomings have come in the way of these providers transforming themselves into models that support complete financial inclusion at full scale. There is also a shortage in the sheer number of financial service delivery points in the rural India. However, KGFS is striving to overcome all the shortcomings and has built a strong business model that supports complete financial inclusion for scalability. KGFS believes that in order to provide a complete range of financial services in a high-quality manner, requires a localized institution focusing on a limited geography. Each KGFS entity operates in 2 districts with a 5 million population, serving approximately 3.5 million rural population. Village-based branches providing a complete range of financial services. KGFS has brick-and-mortar branches located in remote locations of rural India. These branches are thin front ends managed by 2 or 3 wealth managers providing range of financial services in the assigned service area of 6 to 10 villages and having a radius of 3.5 to 4 kilometers. An advice-based framework of wealth management that helps the clients make optimal financial decisions. Our belief is that financial needs of each and every household are different. We empower the customer to make informed financial decision based on the wealth management approach, namely plan, grow, protect and diversify. KGFS thus has the following key characteristics. Geographical focus, operating in tightly defined geographies. Client-centric approach. KGFS wealth managers have a deep understanding of the customer household and strive to offer customized financial propositions to its customers based on their current financial position and goals. Economies of scope, leveraged through offering multiple financial services including savings, remittance, insurance, loans and investments. Branch as the point of access. KGFS branches are hybrid, low-cost and thin front ends that serve as touch points and also provide in-depth understanding of rural households, a critical component for product innovation and customization. Local institution. All staff, including senior management, is identified from the local geography. Technology backbone. High degree of automation via centralized technology backends coupled with standard processes creating outreach to otherwise unbanked areas. All KGFS branches have real-time internet connectivity and necessary infrastructure to support complete technological integration. Thus, technology reduces cost of transaction and supports ease of scalability. Enrollment is done by customer management system where information is captured in addition to the demographic details, the assets and liabilities, income and expenditure of the household. We capture goals and aspirations of the household and CMS generates financial well-being report for the household. In its 3 years of existence, we have been able to establish 3 entities of KGFS in different parts of India now have access to formal financial services. Customers have access to life insurance. Customers are saving in pension schemes for their old age. Clearly, the KGFS is positioned to occupy an important space in the financial services industry, and the journey has only just begun.